When we started, there was no off-the-shelf vertical farming technology. We built this facility in 2018. The only thing you could really get was lights, LEDs. And so we wanted to build a system as a novice grower who has no experience. What's a very robust, simple system, and deepwater culture just kept coming up and kept coming up. And so we knew that we wanted to do multi-layer indoors with LEDs. And so we set out to design a deepwater culture system, but we wanted it to be a continuous system. So meaning that we could run it like a manufacturing operation, because everything that we were seeing were these types of pallet racks, but they're just accessing it from this wide end. And so you can only really get like an 8-foot or a 12-foot continuous section. We wanted to go in one end and out the other. And so the deepwater culture also allows us to have our EPS trays, which float on the water. So you can push from one end and the whole thing moves. And that's what you see in a typical greenhouse. So we just kind of mimic that so that we could operate this with as little labor as possible, meaning that one person can be here with the germinated trays, push them in, and that harvest-ready product pops out the other end. And that also makes sure that we don't have any downtime in our beds or the lights, so that we can run the crops very consistently, which is a big factor when it comes to harvesting it, packaging it, and getting it out to customers.